Hi, my name is Shriyari Ashok Rao Kadare. So here is quick introduction about myself. So do check it out. So for today our topic is show toast event. We will see on click of a button how we can call that notification. We will have message in that. So yeah, let's see. Let's jump into my Salesforce org. So to implement show toast event functionality, we will use my previous developed component, which was like we have seen child to parent communication here in this component. So I will use this button functionality to call show toast event or to like invoke show toast. So I'll jump into my Visual Studio code. So the code for the button I have written in HTML here. So this is button. On click of this property, so this is binding property handle click. On click of this button, we will call this handle click function. So we will basically write that show toast event code inside this. So before that, we need to import show toast event class from Salesforce. So we'll write that here. So we need to write import show toast event from lightning platform toast event. Yeah, so this is import statement that we need to write whenever we are using show toast event. So you need to like just write this as it is because it is standard. And for to implement that show toast, we will write code here as we'll take constant as a show toast, and we'll create here new show toast event, and we will pass parameters inside this. We will pass one title as a success. Then next parameter will be the message that will be displayed inside that show toast. So we will use message as success really inside that notification. We'll use variant. We'll take one more parameter variant. So by default it is info. Here I will take success because we will populating it on click of my button. So to dispatch this show toast, we need to add this dot dispatch event, and in that we need to pass show event. Just add semicolon after this statement. Just save your code, and from here you need to deploy source to org. So this component will be deployed in your Salesforce org. So let's jump into Salesforce org, and firstly we need to open inspect window, right click on reload empty cache and hard reload. So this will reload our component, and we will see it initiates. Yeah, okay. So here I'll write show toast event and will click on pass data. So once I will click over this button, we will be able to see a notification over here. So, okay, it is not able to show. So let's check what is missing. Show toast event title. Yeah, I guess we are missing something over here. This was not properly passed, so I'll once again deploy this component to our Salesforce org, and let's see now that error has passed or not. So I'll once again application hard reload and refresh my component, and let's see now it's working properly or not. So I'll pass any value and pass and click on this pass data. So yeah, so we got success notification over here. So if I would click over here, we will see this. Okay, so we can pass one static data here as well. If I would add here, like I'll make this message as a static, I'll pass here as a this dot. Okay, we are not getting any value. Yes, we are getting. So we can pass this here and we'll hit save. And again, I will deploy this source to org, and now once again I will open inspect window. I will refresh this component, and you will see now the message will be populated in this format. I forgot to add semicolon. I'll just open once again. I will deploy this component once again. So due to that punching, we need to completely do all this refresh once again. So yeah, we'll pass data in this component show toast event, and I will click on this pass data. So we are able to see successfully and show toast event. Whatever the message I want to send from here, I Shriari done. So I'll hit pass. So yeah, you can see here I'm getting the message which I'm passing in this input value. So to get more insight about show toast, you just right here show toast in LWC. You will able to open documentation given by Salesforce, and just scroll down to this table parameters, and you can just go through this parameter section, and you will able to uh, change your parameters. Like here in variant, if you add warning or if you add error, you will see the color change in your notification. Okay, I'll show you that quickly. So if I add variant as an error, and I will save this code, and I will deploy source to org. Then after I'll come over here, open inspect window, and load application hard reload. So this will load our component, and now if I would pass value over here, I Harry. So is that my name? No. So yeah, we got that error variant. So basically, if we use error variant, we will see that show toast event notification in red color. So yeah, this was about show toast event. So yeah, if you have any questions regarding this, you can contact me or you connect with me over LinkedIn. So thank you, bye.